Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the Magic Eraser on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So first we're gonna open Files by Google. If you use this app then of course you can find all your images over here. So I'm gonna tap images and then I'm gonna choose an example photo, let's say this one. Then in the bottom right corner we need to press this pen icon. And here we need to switch to tools, and here we have the Magic Eraser. If you select it, then of course we will be offered with some suggestions, and if there are none then we can circle or brush in order to erase. So I'm gonna circle this thing over here and let's see if it works. You might need to wait a short while, and there we go. This blue line has been removed. We can press done and then we can save the copy, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!